Hello students, welcome to today's maths class. Continuation of our chapter. What is our chapter? Lines and angles. And in that we are in the third exercise. So, yesterday I explained one important concept. In the previous class I explained one important concept. That is, if two lines are parallel and the line cutting these two lines at 2 points, this is called transversal. So then this is say angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, like this. So these are the angles. Total angles is equal to 8. In this, the 1, 2, 8, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. This outside, these are called external angles. See here. 1, 2, outside. If the angles are between these lines, these are called interior angles. These are exterior angles. 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. Exterior. Next. 3, 4, 5, 6 interior angles. See here. 3, 4, 5, 6 interior. Already I explained, but once again I am reminding you because these are very, very important. And confusing also. Of course, plane geometry is a little confusing. 3 and not so interesting. 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Exterior angles, interior angles. Next, see here, one exterior, one interior, same side of the transversal, one exterior, one interior, these are called corresponding angles. See here, corresponding angles, if lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. One exterior, one interior, 1 is equal to 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Similarly, one interior, one exterior. 4 is equal to 8. 4 is equal to 8. See here, this side also, same side of the transversal. One exterior, one interior. 2 is equal to 6. 2 is equal to 6. Corresponding angles. One interior, one exterior. These two are corresponding angles. So 3 is equal to 7. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, same side of the transversal, one exterior, one interior. 1 is equal to 5. So, here one interior, one exterior, 4 is equal to 8. This side also, 2 is equal to 6, 3 is equal to 7. So, like this, these are called corresponding angles. Total you will get 4 pairs. 1, 4, 5 equal, 4, 8 equal, 2, 6 equal, 3, 7 equal. Next is very important word, alternate angles. Alternate, I gave the definition. Alternate means exterior alternate angles, interior alternate angles. This is say interior alternate angles. See here. Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles means the interior angles, you know interior angles, 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles, and opposite sides of the transversal are called alternate angles. Opposite sides, that means 3 is equal to 5. These 3 and 5 are called alternate angles. 3 and 5 are called alternate angles and they are equal. Very, very important. 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, 4 is equal to 6. 4 is equal to 6. Alternate, interior alternate angles. These 3 and 5 are called alternate angles. 4 and 6 are called alternate angles. Next. Exterior alternate angles. Exterior alternate angles. 2. This also on both sides of the transversal. 2 is equal to 8. 2 is equal to 8. 2 exterior alternate angles on opposite sides of the transversal. 2 is equal to 8. This is 2. Opposite side, transversal opposite side is 8. 2 is equal to, angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Similarly, 1 is equal to 7. Exterior alternate angles. Both sides of the transversal are called, the angles on opposite sides of the transversal are called alternate angles. So if they are opposite sides means if they are interior alternate angles. 3 is equal to 5. 4 is equal to 6. Same way, this is this side, this another angle should be opposite side. 2 is equal to 8. 1 is equal to 7, like that. So these are the exterior alternate angles. Next, if two lines are parallel, these two angles, sum of these two angles, same side. If two lines are parallel, transversal is meeting both of them, and the angles on the same side of the transversal, both are interior. Interior angle, same side of the transversal, 3 plus 6. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. The angles on the same side of the transversal, 3 plus 6 is equal to 180 degrees. That is one important concept. This is a transversal. Both interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 3 plus 6 is equal to 180. Same way, this 4 plus 5 also 180. Wherever we apply this formula, again I will remind you. Next, one exterior and both sides of the angles on same side of the transversal. So sum of these two exterior angles on the same side, angle 1 plus angle 80 is also 180 degrees. This side also 2 plus 7. Two plus 7 also 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 8 is 180 supplementary. Angle 2 plus angle 7, these two sum is also 180. 1 plus 8 is 180, 2 plus 7 is 180, 3 plus 6 is 180, 4 plus 5 is 180. So all are very, very important concepts. Not only for this chapter, in geometry, wherever you do geometry, plane geometry problems, this is the basics. Exterior angles, interior angles, corresponding angles, interior alternate angles, exterior alternate angles, and supplementary. This sum 180 means they are called supplementary. This plus this is 180, this plus this is 180. So this plus this 180, this plus this 180, this plus this 180, this plus this 180. And of course, in the beginning itself, one more concept I told. These two are, if two lines are intersecting, so these two are called vertically opposite angles, they are equal. So this is equal to this, like that. 5 is equal to 7, 6 is equal to 8, like that. Vertically opposite angles. So this concept I explained. So now, continuation of the exercise. Already I explained, once again I just reminded, because, so this is, you may forget, because so many new concepts. Students, continuing the exercise. Continuing the exercise, so difficult problems, not so easy. So second problem, first completed, second problem. Second problem. See here, figure is given, three parallel lines. Three parallel lines This is a transversal AB, CD, EF. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Students, see here. Given that y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, this is given. Y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, that relation is given. Then what is y? What is y, students? Y is equal to 3 ratios, z is equal to 7 ratios. Whenever ratio is given, directly we cannot take y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 7. We should not take like this. Ratio is given, you take 3 and 7 but multiply with some constant. Whenever ratio is given, to get the actual value there should be some multiple. Say for example 3k, 7k, like this. We don't know k value. So if ratio is given, to get the actual values, multiply both the ratios with some common constant, like this. Now we have to find y value, z value. After that we will get x value. Actual question is find x. So see here, students, how to find x. Lot of concepts. So, but by practice you will get, because all concepts just now I explained, I reminded you all the concepts which I am going to use in the entire exercise. That those concepts are sufficient. But timely you have to just recollect that formula. See here. See, angle y plus angle z. Opposite sides of the transversal. One is exterior, one is interior. So this sum is 180 degrees. They are supplementary. I gave the notes in the last class. The sum of these two angles is 180. In another way also I will explain, students. This and this are equal because these are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. This is equal to this. This is equal to this, corresponding angles. That means if this is y, this is also y. Corresponding angles. Angles on the same side of the transversal, one is exterior, one is interior, are called corresponding angles. Y, if this is y, this will be also y. Next, what is the total angle on the straight line? 180 degrees. So y plus z is 180. If this is y, this is also y because corresponding angles. And after that, angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So y plus z is equal to 180. Like that also you can conclude. So these two are supplementary. One is exterior, one is interior. So the angles on opposite sides of the transversal, one exterior, one interior, they are supplementary. See here. From the adjacent diagram, from the given figure, see here, students. Y plus z is equal to 180. Y plus z is equal to 180. I am writing the reason also. Angles on opposite sides of the transversal, one is interior and one is exterior, are supplementary. Supplementary means sum is 180. Angles on opposite sides of the transversal, one exterior, one interior. So if you take these two lines only, this angle is outside the line, exterior. This angle is inside the line, interior. So this sum is supplementary. Like that directly you can get. or these two are correspond angles, this is y means this is also y, then y plus z total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees, like that. So y plus z is equal to 180, y is 3k plus z is 7k, don't write 180. So total 10k is equal to 180 degrees, k is equal to 180 by 10 is equal to 18 degrees. K is equal to 18. Then what is y, students? Y is equal to 3k, 3 into 18, 54. Z is equal to 7k, 7 into 18, 126. 126. But question is, what is x? What is x? Now another concept. All the concepts I explained, but recollecting is very, very important. So I am saying that x plus y is equal to 180. Y. X plus y is equal to 180. The reason is both the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are sum is 180. Just now also I reminded. I gave the notes also. You can check. X plus y is equal to 180. Angles on same side of the two interior angles. Two interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means sum is 180. I gave the reason also. Every time I am writing the reason. So if you take these two lines, these two are the interior angles, and same side of the transversal, their sum is 180 degrees. In that, y is 54, x plus y is 54 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 54 is 126. So many ways we can do this problem. So x is equal to 126. Or see here, if this is z, see. Another, so many ways we can do. This is z, this is also z, corresponding angles. Forget about this middle line. Take only two lines. This is a transversal. These two are corresponding angles. If this is z, this is also z. That means if this is 126, this is also 126. If this is 126, these two are vertically opposite angles. If this is 126, this will be 126. Like there are so many ways you can do it. This is z means this is also z, corresponding angles. If this is z means this will be also z because vertically opposite angles. This already we got 126. If this is 126, this is also 126. If this is 126, this will be also 126, like that. You just write down, but do lot of analysis. Otherwise you can't understand, because this is plain geometry. Direct formula like that we can't do. Suppose if it is an algebraic expression like that, so a plus b whole square formula, a power n into a power n formula, or if it is a statistics mean formula, median formula, such concept is not here. So completely analysis and understanding the figure. So write down, and after the class again you do some revision. You can copy afterwards also. Students, next third problem. Third one. In the adjacent figure, AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, CF, figure is given actually. AB parallel to CD, CF students. AB parallel to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. EF. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. All four angles are 90 degrees. Perpendicular means the symbol is given. So if this is 90, this side will be also 90, this will be 90, this will, because if the line is perpendicular to the one line, it will be perpendicular to a parallel line also. Next. So see here, given in the adjacent figure, given that, what is given data I am writing? See, some angles are given. Angle GED is given. Angle GED. GE. Oh. GED. Whatever given information I am writing, students, GED is equal to 126. GED is equal to 126. So find AGE. Some question is asked, AGE, GEF and FGE. FGE. Now, GED is equal to 126 and question is we have to find angle AGE, GEF, FGE. These three angles we have to find from that figure. So how I am finding, students? Check. GED, where is GED angle? GED. GED, this total angle is GED. See students, I will draw separately. G E D. A. See here students, what is GED angle? GED angle means this angle. This is angle GED. This angle is given 126. What is its alternate angles? Tell me, what is its alternate angle? For this angle, what is the alternate? For this angle, this is the alternate. These two are alternate angles. So angles, both interior alternate angles. So the angles inside the lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Suppose if this is a transversal, so these are the opposite sides. So these two are called alternate angles. So this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. So that means AGE. What is the name of this angle? Angle AGE. Angle AGE is equal to angle GED. Why AGE is equal to GED? Why these two angles are equal? Alternate angles. Both are internal alternate angles. So both are interiors, one are opposite sides. They are called alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. So this angle, these are alternate angles. So angle GED is given as 126. If this is 126, this is also 126. That implies angle AGE is equal to, what is GED? 126. So AGE is I asked, we got it. Over. Second question, GEF is asked. GEF is asked. Students, angle GEF. Angle GEF, this angle is asked. Now see carefully. See here. Suppose if this is 1, say this is 2. Now students, angle GEF, this angle plus this angle, EF GED. See here. GEF, this angle plus this angle. What is the name of this angle? DEF. See, GEF, this angle plus DEF, this angle. This angle plus this angle, if I add these two angles, I will get total angle. What is the total angle? GED. Students, this angle, what is the name of this angle? GEF, this angle plus this side angle, DEF, this angle plus this angle is equal to total GED angle, or DEG or GED. Total angle we will get. And now, GEF we have to find, we don't know this value, plus DEF. What is DEF angle? It is a perpendicular, this is a symbol. This symbol means it is 90 degrees. In the question also it is given that it is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees is equal to GED is 126. This total angle is given 126. So then we require this GEF is equal to 126 minus 90 is 36 answer. So this also we got. It's very simple logic. Total how much? 126. This total 126. If this is 90, this part will be 126 minus 90, 36. Next, one more question. FGE. How to find FGE? You think of it. FGE. 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 Students. FGE. This angle I have to find. This angle I have to find. This angle I have to find. Various ways we can find, because so many relations are there. To find this angle, suppose if this is 1, say this is 2, this is 3, for example. Sum of 3 angles in any triangle is 180. This is a triangle. Sum of 3 angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That means angle 1. Angle 1 means we don't write 1, 2, 3 like that. We will standard notation is GEF. This angle, what is the name of this angle? GEF. This angle plus GEF. This angle plus this angle. What is the name of this angle? EFD. EFG. EFG. This angle. Plus this angle plus this angle. What is the name of this angle? FGE. You can write it anyway. EGF or FGE. Anyway. So FGE. This angle. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees, because it is a triangle. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So in this GEF, just now we got GEF 36 plus EFG 90. See, this is a perpendicular line. This is 90, this is 90, this side 90. Total, this is 90 degrees. EFG. See, if it is a straight line, if it is another straight line, if both are perpendicular, then angle will be 90 degrees on both sides. This is a vertical, perpendicular line. It is given in the problem, it is a perpendicular line. So, this side 90, this side 90, this side 90, this side 90. So, this angle is 90. Plus, this we have to find. We require that is equal to 180. So, therefore, FGE is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 126. 54. All 3 answers we got. All 3 answers we got, students.